To purchase a Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, also known as VOO, the process is relatively straightforward. Start by accessing your account through the Fidelity website. Once logged in, locate the search bar at the top of the screen and type VOO to find the Vanguard S&P 500 option. Select this option, which will direct you to a screen displaying the current pricing for the ETF. To proceed with the purchase, click the Buy button, typically located on the right side of the screen. You will then be prompted to select the account through which you wish to make the purchase. After choosing your account, you may also select your order type by clicking on the relevant option and then choosing the Buy action from the drop-down menu. Enter the amount you wish to invest, specified in dollars, before finalizing the transaction. Review your order details by clicking the Preview button at the bottom of the screen. Ensure that you have selected the correct amount and the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. If everything is in order, click the Place Order button to complete the purchase. Your Vanguard S&P 500 ETF will then be purchased, concluding the process.